Meet Edna Mode, a tiny little fashion designer with a heart as big as a balloon. She was famous for her stylish clothing, always full of pizzazz and flair. But one day, Edna found herself in a pickle. Her latest design was missing a special touch, that magical something that made her creations stand out. Edna spent days and nights, working tirelessly, but still, the missing piece eluded her. One evening, as she was about to give up, she heard a voice. "Hello, dear Edna," it said. "I see you're in need of a little inspiration." Edna turned around, but there was no one there. Suddenly, a bright, shimmering light appeared, and a tiny fairy materialized. "I'm Fifi, the fairy of fabulous fashion," she said with a twinkle in her eye. "I've been watching you, and I can see your passion for creating something extraordinary," Fifi said. "But you're missing one key ingredient," she added, "the power of imagination." Edna looked at Fifi, puzzled. "Imagination? I thought I had enough of that," she exclaimed. "Oh, you have imagination, dear Edna," Fifi replied, "but you need to tap into it, let it flow like a river." With Fifi's words in mind, Edna sat down at her sewing machine, her mind abuzz with new ideas. She worked and worked, her hands moving faster than ever before. Suddenly, a beautiful, shimmering dress appeared, unlike anything Edna had ever created. "Fifi, you were right," Edna exclaimed, her eyes wide with amazement. "I've created a masterpiece," she said, holding up the dress with pride. Fifi smiled and said, "You see, dear Edna, the power of imagination is limitless. Never forget that, and you'll create wonders that the world has never seen." From that day forward, Edna's designs were more magnificent than ever before. She knew that with a little imagination, she could create anything her heart desired. And as for Fifi, she continued to visit Edna, inspiring her to create even more fabulous fashions, reminding her that the power of imagination is the most powerful tool a designer could ever have. The end.